I think that this technology will further drive personalization. If you think about this, the amount of data that we understand about a human, there is no single way that a person can beat technology alone. That is, um, as we understand, that any individual that understands how to benefit from technology will beat an individual without. So if you think about personalization, right? Let's think about personal experiences. I go to the supermarket. The company should understand generally what my shopping experience are. Do I like fruit? Do I eat meat? What religious followings do I have? That's not something an individual can compute without technology. So think about it in a healthcare context, see a clinician, maybe it's a family medicine doctor, they're going to be able to see and treat you for the condition that you're presented with. But AI-enabled consults will allow you to then not only see the condition that you're presented with, but actually the history of the patient, and to be able to do it in real time, not an individual taking 45 minutes trawling through a health information exchange to see patient history, but in real time, tell the consultant, hey, did you know that this individual has these previous conditions? And actually, their presenting condition is aligned to their previous condition and present information to make a better informed and personalized conversation. And there are so many different elements. So I'd push to say that AI will not only further personalize healthcare, but it will advance healthcare in many ways that we haven't even understood yet.